the ill-fated coronation of Adeguoye et Lavu Muruge, Eta Are Ni Je Ata No. These were the priests of Ifa, who performed divination for Adeguoye, the only son of the king. Adeguoye was born when his father was already very old. The Ifa priests advised Adeguoye, shortly after his father's death, to make a sacrifice to the elders of the night with a goat and to offer a ram to Isu, so that he could survive the coronation ceremonies. Being a young man, he did not understand the significance of the sacrificial offerings. Therefore, he could not comprehend why he had to make a sacrifice for something that was simply a traditional ceremony. On the other hand, after his father's burial, the coronators invited him to make preparations to take his father's place on the throne. The ceremony was to begin with a retreat in a secret conclave for 14 days. One night, the witches, who usually did not attack without first giving a warning to their victim, visited him and rubbed his body with their hands. The following morning, he fell ill. Despite his sickness, he was still not convinced that he needed to make the sacrifice. His mother, the only one who could have advised him, was already too old to do anything for him. On the 7th day of his stay in the conclave, he died. His death was not formally announced. Under the pretext of a curfew, his body was taken home, and the coronation ceremony was completed posthumously by his young son, who was made king. When this hadu appears in divination for a person planning to accept a new position, they must be told that success awaits them, but death stands between them and their achievement. Therefore, they must make a sacrifice to the elders of the night and to Esau to remove the danger of death from their path.